Friends, once again, welcome to this video of mine. Friends, in today's video, we will make a dynamo that will generate electricity. We will also generate electricity and we will also step it with water. Friends, we will also make a step-by-step video. We will also show you the complete setup in this video. So watch full video, friends, and enjoy the video. Friends, first of all, we have to make this with driver. Water AC in it, we have to connect the brake. Well, then we have to make a good setup for it, so that what we have is fully AC. It rotates well and it also gets water well, so that we also get our full 2220 volt or 440 volt. Friends, first of all, we have to make this with driver. Water AC in it, we have to connect the brake. Well, then we have to make a good setup for it, so that what we have is fully AC. It rotates well and it also gets water well, so that we also get our full 2220 volt or 440 volt.